Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Accord headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a new H11 bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so ensure your engine is completely off and cool to the touch. Always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any electrical work. This simple step prevents accidental shorts and ensures your safety throughout the process. Now, let's locate the headlight assembly. To access the bulb, you'll need to remove a few components. Start by locating the two plastic clips that secure the bumper cover near the headlight assembly. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pop these clips out. Once those are removed, gently pull back the fender liner in the wheel well. This will give you enough space to reach behind the headlight housing. Next, locate the electrical connector attached to the bulb and twist it counterclockwise to disconnect it. Now it's time to replace the old bulb. You'll see a metal retaining spring holding the bulb in place. Unclip this spring to release the bulb. Gently pull the old bulb straight out from its housing. When handling the new H11 bulb, be very careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands. Oils from your skin can create hot spots and significantly shorten the bulb's lifespan. Hold it by the plastic base only. With the new bulb in hand, carefully insert it into the headlight housing, making sure it's seated properly. Resecure the metal retaining spring to hold the bulb firmly in place. Now, reconnect the electrical connector by twisting it clockwise until you hear a click, indicating it's secure. Finally, reattach the fender liner and the two bumper cover clips. Reconnect your car's battery, turn on your headlights, and ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.